Hey guys, Jeff Dickinson here. Today I'm showing you my Herbie the Love Bug. It's by Johnny Lightning. Came out in 2003 and it's 1/18 scale. And what's cool about this is it's pretty cool in detail. I like it. I'm going to show you some of the features. Now, unfortunately, Herbie had a little accident. Scraped the paint there from the top. Other than that, he's in really good condition. Let's see if we do this justice for y'all. It's die-cast metal, nice, solid, and heavy. And it's really detailed. So what we can do here, start with the inside. Doors do open on both sides. Zoom in there for you. This is the only Johnny Lightning card that I did pick up. And wanted to get another one because, you know, I opened this one up. And I'll be darned, over the years, this is oh look, check this out. The wheels turn, so does the steering wheel. So you can position it. Pretty cool, huh? So I was looking to see if I could get another one in the box and keep it, but unfortunately for me, they're going for about $100. I'm like, what? Should have kept it boxed up. Go ahead and close the doors for you. Got a little license plate there. You would think that would be a sticker, but it's really flush, so not 100%. This is a sticker that was like, it feels like it's flush with the paint, but it's got to be a sticker. And yeah, there's a little unfortunate accident there when this top end got marked up. You know, it did right there. Other than that, pretty cool. So we go open up here. Check this out. Has a spare tire. And it comes out. It's got rubber tires. I think that was cool little thing they did for Johnny Lightning did. That's what the inside looks like of the trunk. Remember, boys and girls who've never seen a actual VW Bug, that's the trunk. And let's show you the back, where the engine's at. Zoom in here for you. It's a pretty detailed engine. I've seen some collectibles that, I guess collectibles that sometimes they cheapen in on the engine. It's all plastic inside. It's got actual little lenses here for the brake lights. See if I give you a little more closer look there. The seats don't move, but there is a back seat back there. There's a little gear shift in the middle. Let me see if I can open the other door here to show you. There you go. See the gear shift and the brake. And it's got its little accelerator clutch. I don't know if you can see that or not. Accelerator clutch and brake. Maybe you can see it better at this end. There you go. The glove compartment does not open. I'd be kind of trippy if it did. And I was looking at the gauge here, and I thought it would be painted or have a sticker or something, but it's just black there. But it does have a nice little accent of on the steering wheel. Got a little silver there. Back out of here. And of course, there's the top. Unfortunately, you saw that scratches in this right here. Let me show you the bottom. There you go. It's number 671. If you guys want to try to find one, came out 2003. Johnny Lightning. That's the back end. Shows you exhaust in the bottom of the engine. Kind of cool. And like I said, the steering wheel moves the tire, the front tire. Kind of cool, huh? Steers. So you can position it if you want. And it rolls really good. Pretty cool, huh? Go number 53. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go Herbie. I enjoyed those movies as a kid, and when I saw this at the store, can't remember how much I paid for it. But I wish I got two now. Because if you go online, darn things are going for about $100. Give or take. Sometimes there's a little bit more. That's what the front end looks like. It's like the ideal that, you know, this is painted right here. Well, let me zoom in here a little bit more. Maybe it's not painted. Well, maybe a little plastic thing that's colored. I'm not 100% there. It's probably painted. Wishful thinking. But this is really cool. It's got the headlight, plastic stuff on the headlights, gridded just like the VWs. Alright, Herbie the Love Bug. Well guys, that'll do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you thought this was cool, and we'll catch you on the next one. Laters guys.